This is the 13th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is a harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 13 is asking about what most logically completes a text. The passage is saying that the Puebloans, they went everywhere in the late 1200s. And so what do? They analyze turkeys in Mesa Verde, which is in southern Colorado, and modern turkey populations, Rio Grande Valley of northern New Mexico. What they find is that the latter birds, meaning the Rio Grande Valley of northern New Mexico, descended in part from the birds at Mesa Verde because there's like genetic markers and stuff. What's the best answer here? We need an answer that's going to connect the populations living in Colorado and New Mexico, in the Rio Grande Valley and Mesa Verde, because that's kind of the point of the whole passage. And turkeys are what are being analyzed here. So it's going to use the turkeys to do that. So our best answer here is going to be B. Some ancestral Puebloans migrated to the Rio Grande Valley in the late 1200s and carried farming practices with them. They had the same turkeys. See the full-length video. Check us out on YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. Go to the playlists and Test 2 Module 2B, the harder set of reading and writing questions. The longer videos are going to be above these shorter videos. Have a great day.